Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama videoing from the Louisville Home Show. This is where Champion and all the manufacturers are going to bring the best of the best. This is a sneak peek into what we're going to be offering this year, and you guys have seen this home, I don't know, probably 6 months ago. I showed it as a prototype. Well, it's finally here. It'll be in my lineup as soon as I get back to Indiana. We will be adding it to the mix and it will be available for purchase. Now, I wanted to talk about some things on the outside. Remember the color olive green. We have changed that color, added a little bit of more green to it, less pastel, and we are calling this, I believe, cypress, but it is a standard color and everyone is loving it. This is the prototype, no name yet, but I will have it named here in just a short while. And it is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,153 square feet. Storage is the name of the game in this home. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, headed into the spacious living room. Lots of room here. We've got some colors that we've always seen throughout the last few years. Casper cashmere on the wall. Cool cedar as an accent, and this accent is an entertainment center that's available. Super cute. On the floor we've got aged European oak with a natural look. In the living room we've added a 16 by 60 picture window, transom window, over the couch. And just take a look at this, folks. We've also switched this year to a 6-inch can light, so you can see just adding 4 can lights squared off in the living room, what it does to the light in the house. Beautiful. We'll head back to bedroom 2 and bedroom number 3. Remember, this is a 16 by 76, 3-bed, 2-bath. Here's bedroom number 2. Good sized bedroom. Here comes the closet. Can I tell you guys, this is my first year at Louisville, and it is beautiful. To be in the arena with all these Champion homes, gorge, beautiful. Here's bath number 2. Some new things for this year. We've got these new mirrors. Hi everybody, great to see you. Ready to kick off 2026, it's the season of the Mobile Home Mama. New mirrors. So remember, the older mirrors were just flat against the wall. Now they've got a nice definition and aligning. Here's something we don't see every day, but has always been available. This is a makeup cabinet. Easy to add that. We've got laminate backsplash, standard tub shower combination, and an 019 over the commode linen. All right, heading back into bedroom number 3. I've seen so many baths and beds, it's hard to say. This closet has some screens in it, but it's the same size as bedroom number 2. All right. And one other thing I forgot to talk about, a little marble on the countertop. Tons of people going through here. Hi, guys.
Hello.
All right, heading into the kitchen. So many new things here. You'll notice a corner pantry. We've got a built-in microwave into the tower, a coffee bar here with some more accent panels, and those are the things that people have been screaming for and Champion delivered. In your island, we've added a farm sink, and I'll tell you, after I started using my farm sink, I will never go back, because you're putting big cookie sheets, big pans in the farm sink, and then right here, you're gonna put the smaller stuff in the dishwasher. Bada boom, bada bing, out of the way. All right, European steel hood, always a classy feature in any home. And then standard for this year in the Aspire Homes, smooth top ranges. So no longer an upgrade, something that's gonna come with the standard features of your home. Here's a corner pantry, and in the corner pantry we've added cool cedar again as an accent. Storage. It's what everybody's always looking for. We have great decorators, don't we? This place looks great. Coming in the back door. Now we're gonna have a nice spacious area where you're gonna walk in the back door. You're not gonna feel cramped. You're gonna have your washer and dryer here. Again, keeping the accent flowing through the whole house. We've got cool cedar with some coat hooks there. furnace along the way, heading right into the primary bedroom. Again, carried on with the cool cedar into the primary bedroom, and look what happens with those can lights. I mean, this place is lit up and it looks great. Hi, great to see you guys. Finally into the master bath. We're gonna see dual sinks, 3 bulb light strips. Your vanity is extended, so you've got a bank of drawers here. Nice size walk-in closet coming into the primary bath. And then when I flip it around, I want to talk about something here, guys. A lot of people wanted to know where the seats went in the shower. Well, we switched showers so we could have a nice modern shower, and we answered your prayers. So now we have available, if you can see it, seats. So you can add teak seating into the showers to help you if you're handicapped or if you just like the look. There you have it, folks. Here's the prototype, Champion Homes. It's about to come to life. Don't forget to check the website, www.factorydirectmobilehomes.com. I'm Christina, also the Mobile Home Mama, and as always, thanks for watching.